Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentage composition worksheet. So this video gives us a few problems looking at percentage composition. Now we've had a lesson on this and it explains how to do these types of problems. So if you're not sure how to proceed, on the next slide we have a link, and if you click on the link it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. Now let's have a look at the four problems. Number one, a particular fruit salad is made up of 250 grams of strawberries, 350 grams of bananas, 300 grams of apples, and 100 grams of cherries. What is the percentage composition of strawberries? All we have to know here is that we have 250 grams of strawberries. We know that because that's what we've been given. And the other thing we need to work out is the total amount of ingredients. How many grams is the total? So you just add up those four and then you can proceed with the working as shown in the lesson. Number two, a certain can of dog food contains 27 grams of chicken, 14 grams of jelly, and 9 grams of fibre. What is the percentage composition of jelly? Number three, a certain mixture of concrete contains 4 buckets of gravel, 3 buckets of sand, and 1 bucket of cement. What is the percentage composition of sand? And the last one, a metal object is made up of 400 grams of zinc, 500 grams of copper, 600 grams of lead, and 300 grams of silver. What is the percentage composition of lead? Now, basically, we have zinc, copper, lead, and silver. And we need to find the percentage composition of lead. So this video has given us 4 problems where we can practice calculating percentage composition. And there is a lesson on this if you need any help. So when you get to the next slide, just click on the provided link. That will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples.